We are so back with another PHP live stream. Let's go, guys. We're gonna write some PHP today. Welcome. This is the episode 12. So excited for this. Man, I love PHP. Wait, wrong live stream. Sorry, my bad. I don't know why I'm lagging now. After I just like hit the table with this bottle, I started freezing and stuff. Anyways, guys, welcome. Today we're chilling. We're just chilling. Just needed a chill live stream session where I just take a look at some terminal stuff, post some comments on some issues, do some maintenance, and just overall maybe go one step or half step further in terms of our release. It's taking time. It's taking time. I mean, what can I do about it, man? Like, this is open source, you know. I'm trying my best. So yeah, welcome everybody. Although I'm just gonna be real, nobody's watching the stream right now. I literally see zero viewers. Okay, it just became one. Welcome, little fella. I don't know why I said that. Anyways, so we're chilling, we are doing maintenance. Let's just dive into it. Okay, that was a weird head movement. All right, guys. So first of all, let me say this. I have some new issues that popped up in the recent days, so maybe those are good to take a look at first. We have a discussion actually, because for feedback on a hexagons drawing character set. What? Draw hexagons in the terminal. Source. Okay, let's take a look at the source code. Hexagon drawing characters. Interesting. It's HTML. So these are like new drawing characters. I'm thinking where these might be useful. Demo. Okay, let's check the demo. Got it. They're pretty nice. They look like some carbon chemistry thing. There is 3 subset: flat top, pointed up, mini. The first 2 has 2 lines, simple and double. Hello. Thanks for sharing this. Okay, let me just be quiet and just write this comment. Secondly, I think this is definitely useful as a TUI widget. Maybe not as a part of Ratatui at first, but I can see people using it for. Okay, is carbon chemistry the right word? Chemistry. Okay, let me just leave some links to the border set stuff. So we have some sets. This thing doesn't have Rust bindings or anything like that though. So maybe experiment with drawing these characters in Rust and okay, custom widget. There's supposed to be something like this. Okay, there you go. And creating a custom Ratatui widget. Then we could add it to the website and right, where are the showcase third-party widgets? Well, these are just characters, border set. If you come up with, if you come up with something, we could add it to a website. Explore the API for where this might be used. I think a custom maybe this could be used for border or maybe canvas. I think we have some stuff like circle, rectangle. Off the top of my head, I could see this being a part of as a new shape, by the way. Just need some. All right. Moving on, guys. We have another discussion. What is the recommended way of handling events, especially click events for nested GUI? Let's imagine a list view struct that contains a list which then contains items. I want to detect when I use the click them. It's quite deeply nested structure. Usually, there's actually an example. I think not here, but in apps probably. There's a mouse example. Or maybe it was like a button or something. Custom widget. Okay, I'm gonna just link that. You could attach the current area. To each for each widget and handle that. Zoom with the mouse once. There is a custom widget example which demonstrates how to do that. All right, moving on. Add a has modifier method to style. So we have add modifier, remove modifier, assume it's next to add has modifier. So let me just see. I'm gonna go to beta. Style, let's go to style. Sounds like a good addition. Yeah, I like it. It's nice, I think. Alright guys, let's check the release checklist now. Alright, so where is it? We are still pretty far from the release. I'm gonna request review. That was the latest state of the website. Let's see. I think I'm gonna just merge this. This seems quite finished. Yeah, this seems like I can work on it. Yeah, to ping Josh about this. This is also done. Almost. I need to take a look at this one. But I think I can just work on these stuff in the meantime. Okay, so we are here. I'm gonna switch to maybe I can push to this branch. Update centering logs. Maybe rebase on main. I think it's pretty behind, yeah. What happened? What the hell? So we have some how to misc stuff here. Okay, these are belonging to the documentation. Center erect. So that's deleted or something. Yeah, so center widget, we now have that basically. Okay, I can redo everything. Hello, Jakub Shaik. 1906. What up? Let me just redo everything then. Alright, so I'm gonna check out this new branch. I can probably start the website. Some things are failing. Doesn't matter though. Alright, let's check the website. We have... Where is that section? Recipes. Layout, center widget, there you go. So centering horizontally. What was the comments on this one? Okay, there you go. All right, and then we're gonna go here. Render pop-up. All right, that should be good. This stuff also needs to be yeah, I'm just gonna copy these. To update this version. Another day, another grind. Absolutely, man. Welcome. Gold, electrum, silver, copper. What's going on? Alright, let's see the website. Oh man, where's the new code? Didn't update it for some reason. There you go, we have the new code. We need to update the summary as well. Maybe. I'm not sure. Update this summary. Writing my own Lisp for embedded hardware, only non-coded buttons. C. So RC. I keep thinking it'd be cool to make an Emacs clone using Ratatui. Yeah, that would be, I think, great. Code editor, man. Writing code editors is fun. Centering starts with a rect that sits in the middle of the area. What is that supposed to mean? What the hell is that? That's a bad sentence. It's horrible. Centering whichever place inside the rect, that's... yeah. I think we can remove flex and layout. We no longer use those. So let me just remove those. Yeah, I think this is good now. Let me just create a PR. Maybe I can try running the code as well. Recipes, how to mask. Let's build it. Let's build it, man. Come on. Oh, flex and layout. We don't need those things. Okay. Let me just delete them. Actually, how about we give the changelog to this? How about we give the changelog to AI and just let it revamp the website, like simplify the API, like simplify the usage where necessary. Let's try to do that. Actually, I'm curious now. That would be useful. But let me just finish this first. Docs layout, update, centering. Centering recipe for 0.30. My Lisp is 99% wipe code. I'm very surprised how good Chloe was at doing. Yeah, man. There was one guy doing this Lisp, or well, he was doing some compiler using wipe coded. Like he's basically wipe coding a compiler. What was that guy? You know him? Probably not Lisp, something, maybe Julia or something, I don't know, some Julia compiler. Just like he caused a lot of drama recently. Yeah, he basically... Wait, let me just try to find it. Yeah. This thing. Yeah, let me just send a link. This guy is stirring up the internet with a lot of AI generated stuff, and it's like 22,000 lines of something. I don't know. And he is defending himself about this. The discourse that I sent is like, this forum is super, like, they're very understanding. They are replying with manners and stuff. Yeah, it's really interesting to see. No one is super angry or something. They basically try to, yeah, you'll see. It's an interesting read. And look into that guy as well. He's like a bit on the AI side. So if the AI took over, he would be one of the agents, I think, or something like that. I don't know. It's pretty interesting. Alright, let's push this. Let's merge this to 0.30. Oh, I need to update 0.30 as well. Finalizes, closes this one. Let me actually update Ratatui 0.30 branch as well. Wipe coding, man. Wipe coding. Alright, let's create a pull request. I'm basically going to merge this because it was already been reviewed. Oh, conflicts. What happened here? I just want this thing to build actually. Oops, what is going on? Still conflicts? How many conflicts does this thing have? What the hell? Just regenerate the cargo log, come on. Oh my god. Oh my god, so many stuff has changed here. I am so done with so many conflicts, man. What the hell? Come on. Just build. Pretty interesting decision. On one hand, it's cool that someone can have... What? Okay, sorry. Someone can have AI generated complex feature. On the other, it's definitely scary when someone tries to push 20k lines of AI code. Yeah, I'm actually glad that they haven't discovered Ratatui yet, because I might have slightly interacted with them on Twitter, just slightly. Maybe I could have, I should have, maybe I shouldn't have, but I might have replied to one of his memes on Twitter. So yeah, I don't want him to do like a 50k lines of code drop on us. That would be pretty bad. But for now, we seem to be doing fine, so all good. But yeah, it's a matter of time that he discovers Ratatouille, and then we're cooked. No pun intended, by the way. Alright, one more step towards 0.30. Let me get my other water bottle, 1 second. Let's see the website. I don't know if it's normal that it takes a long time. Shouldn't take this much of time, actually. I don't know. Also, this thing closes this one as well. So when I close that PR, this will also get closed. Yeah, Turkey internet, man. Okay, closes 2 things. What the hell? Why is it taking forever? I think this is broken or something. Or maybe it's still building. It's likely that it's still building. But anyways, I tested this locally, so it should be fine. Famous last words. I'm just gonna merge this. I'm just gonna merge this, people. Yeah, absolutely works on my machine. Right, we're merging to the correct branch, not main. I don't wanna fuck this up. Seems good. Let's ship it. Boom. This should be closed now. That was not satisfying. Why is it not closed? What the hell? Dude. Auto close, please. Is it because I'm merging to this branch? Doesn't make sense actually. It should just close the mentioned stuff. I have no idea what just happened. Okay, I'm just gonna close these myself. That was not as satisfying as I imagined in my head. I mean, should have done this automatically. Anyways, we're just closing them like this, I guess. This has been merged. Our 0.30 PR should be updated now. Let's see, where is it? 0.30. Oh, this is Ratatui. I need to go to Ratatui website. This internet is super freaking slow. I don't know what's going on. It's Rust Analyzer just using 3 gigs of RAM in the background. That makes sense, no? That makes sense. Alright, should be updated. We have 3 commits. Three gigs is nothing. Alright, these things are, at least these are done. These are really close to being done. Why is this still open actually? I think this was already merged, no? I think it was already merged here. I just saw the commit. Yeah, there you go. Oh, this is still using alpha though. It's probably fine. Alright, this is done in this issue. Close. Boom. Another one gone. Where is it? Alright, cool. Moving on. I don't know what to do with these yet. Gold, electrum, gold, silver, copper. Do you use Mac OS? Alright, cool. You want to help us out on this? Because we need someone to do testing on macOS. If you wanna test this out, we have just an app called Flex, and the colors, I think the colors are a bit wrong on this, but only on macOS. So let me just show you the app. Apps, Flex. It's here. Let me run it. For me it's fine because I'm on a superior operating system, you know. Just kidding, but there you go. This is how it looks like normally. This PR changes it a little bit. It does some extra checks for the Apple terminal stuff to support 24-bit colors or something like that. I'm not so sure what has changed here, but we basically need to test this on macOS and make sure that it's running fine. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna leave a link. You don't have to help us out. You absolutely don't need to do anything, but if you want, that would be appreciated. It's very cool, thank you. Maybe check out the Flex example first and see if it's working, and then pull these changes. I think this guy also uses the Mac terminal or some, I don't know, no idea. You can check the issue, I guess. Okay, so going back to main. I'm gonna copy the changelog from Ratatui. I'll test on default Apple terminal. I like recent night normally because Apple terminal sucks, to be honest. Yeah, I think people have a lot of issues on the Apple terminal. Alright, I'm gonna start a new sesh here. Take a look at changelog for what has changed in 0.30. What will be changed in 0.30 release of Ratatouille. Then scan the website for code that can be simplified. References that needs to be fixed. What else? Other misc stuff, and generate me a website upgrade report in report md in a new file called report md. That was a really good prompt. I don't know how I did that. Let's see. Alright, it's gonna just do some stuff now. Yeah, you can probably use AI for these as well, just documentation updates. I mean, we are very close to the release. We just need to get these things done. And I'm gonna update the changelog. We can probably just go from there. I'm really curious about the output of this. It's gonna take some time, I think. These are trivial stuff though. I can probably just merge this one. Oh, I need to update it. Update highlights. Oh, we have some conflicts here. The app here definitely fixes it. Nice. It's good to hear that. Maybe you can leave a comment there. Would be nice. Try on main and it was broken. On PR it was fixed. Okay, cool. Maybe just +1 or something. Leave something like that, or say that you have tested it. Also, I don't know if you want to do that, but you can also like review the code as well. macOS is weird, man. Like, you have these environment variables. That was a weird thing to say. I should have been more explicit. You get what I mean though, like, it's a bit weird. Alright, I'm gonna fix this one. I'm gonna see if there's anything worth fixing in here, like based on this report. I think I'm gonna leave it there, guys. Super cooked today. No pun intended. Alright, what is going on now? macOS is very cursed and kinda sucks, but I'm stuck with it on my MacBook. I used the Asahi Linux for a while and it was cool, but pretty broken. Good grind. I wanna give Asahi Linux a try. It seems very hacky. Very hacky operating system. I wanna give it a try because I respect what they do with all the reverse engineering and driver stuff, basically. Just for the sake of just giving them a little bit of a props, I think I would try it one day if I had a Mac machine. I actually, okay, funny thing, what I have, like physically what I have right now in my room is this, not this, sorry. Not this, one sec. Power Mac. I have this right now in my room. It's on the other side of the room, so I cannot show it to you, but I literally have this right now sitting in the room and it is working. It is running. Such a nice asset. It's so fun to just, you know, open the case of this, because it's like this, like it's like opening an oven or something. It's like super flexy. I bet you could put Linux on that, I mean, for sure, man. But I don't want to touch it. I want to just keep it original, because I think one day it's gonna be worth a lot of money. It's such a flex, man. Alright, we got a report. Let's go. It mostly worked, but battery life was very bad. I used ESPC HDMI that was broken. I had to keep restarting to get my second monitor working, which was so annoying. That sounds super annoying, man. Alright, let's see. Context. Let's have a look. Okay, this still pins Ratatui. Yeah, MSRV. I think these are trivial, so I can do them later, but they need to be done basically. I'm gonna just create an etc. Alright. I'm gonna just fix this PR. Let's rebase on that. Wait, what? Seems like it just worked. Just auto fixed the conflicts. Okay, sure. Yeah, we're getting close. I just gotta ping Josh for some reviews on these first two, and it's gonna be fun. But for now, I think I'm done, guys. I just want to thank everybody who has been here with my journey, not just on this live stream. I just want to thank everybody who somehow part of my life, you know what I mean? So deep. Anyways, take care, guys. Take care. Gold Electrum, Silver Copper, my man. See you on Discord. Rat Shaker, Rat Chef says goodbye. I'm out.